Observe this quadratic equation. Here we are having the x square, which is written as coefficient as root of 3, and the constant term that is written as 2 root 3. So if you will multiply these two values, you will get the answer as root 3 times of negative of 2 root 3. That will turn out to be negative of 2, and you will write it as 3. We will keep it as it is. Why? Because we want 2 root 2. So if you will do the factors of 2, then you will write it into this form. So we will write it as minus of 3 root 2, and here you will write root 2. Once you will add negative of 3 root 2 with root 2, you will get the answer as negative of 2 root 2. So if you can see here, we are writing it as 3 root 3 x square. Then you will write it as minus of 3 root 2 x plus of root 2 x, and here you will write 2 root 3, which is equal to 0. So if you can see here, we can take root 3 common from here, and you will get x also as common. So if you will take this one common, you will get the answer as x minus root 3 times of root 2. Once you will take root 2 common from here, you will get the answer as x minus root 2 times of root 3, which is equal to 0. So if we can write root 3 and root 2, which is equal to root 6. So everything will be written in this form. Once you will take root 3x plus root 2 as common, here you are writing in this form, and everything you are writing in this form, which is equal to 0. Now the two values of x that you are getting, first one, that is either you will get the value of x as negative of 2 over root 3, or you will get the value of x that is equal to root 6. So these two answers that we are getting in this problem. Hope you have understood this question. If you have understood, please subscribe my channel and like this video.